Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So Bitcoin these 2 days, instead of breaking the bear flag to the downside as we expected, today is currently even going stronger and is breaking all the three resistances we talked about on this channel, which are the broadening wedge, the bear flag upper resistance, and also the MA ribbon. So if we manage to make a daily close above these three resistances, I will flip bullish till a certain point, and I will talk later about it. But at that point I will wait for a possible retest, flipping as support this area, and at that point I will enter along. Regarding my short, yesterday when the Fed meeting started and I saw the volume coming in, I stopped it around here with a slight profit, but nothing considerable. And I am looking right now for a possible retest here and going long. So the next pattern which I am seeing right now with yesterday's higher low, we are forming this ascending wedge, and yes, it is technically still a bearish pattern, but we will have to monitor the price how it goes. Looking on the 1 hourly chart, we can see that we are possibly forming a bearish divergence right here. If we connect here and here, we could possibly have a bearish divergence. So on this daily pattern, we could find ourselves being stopped out around here for the short term on the smaller time frames, reversing, and in this point when we flip this area as support, I will enter along at that point. For now it is risky to enter a long trade. The daily close is still not closing and we are currently still on the smaller time frames a little bit overbought, so it's not the ideal position to enter long. But yes, when we retrace, if we retrace at this point, it is very good to enter a long position to ride this thing up until we reach the red box. And why I am saying the red box? The red box, as you can see, is the previous bear flag support area here, so we know that at that area we'll have a strong resistance, and also it is the apex of this pattern. So guys, if you are in your long positions, pay attention to this pattern. We could ride it here and break to the downside again. So that's it guys from Bitcoin side. I'll see you in the next video about Mbox.